kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do understanding quadrilaterals. Our learning objectives are quadrilaterals, angles and property of quadrilaterals, polygons, type of polygons and special type of quadrilaterals. The four-sided closed figure is called a quadrilateral. In this chapter we will read about the properties and different type of quadrilaterals. We will also read different type of polygons according to their sides. So first is quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is a closed figure bounded by four line segment. Quad means four. That is called quadrilateral. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which the line segment AB, BC, CD and DA, they are called the sides. Angle A, B, C and D, they are the four angles. Point A, B, C and D, they are its vertices, and the line segment joining the opposite vertices, that are called diagonals. So AC and BD are two diagonals. So this is a quadrilateral. Four sides AB, BC, DC and AD. These are the four sides. Four vertices A, B, C and D. Four angles, angle A, B, C and D. And two diagonals BD and AC. Next is properties of trapezium. A trapezium has only one pair of opposite side parallel. Parallel sides cannot be equal. Non-parallel sides may or may not be equal. If the non-parallel sides are equal, then it is an isosceles trapezium. Clear? So trapezium में one pair of sides होगा, that is parallel. Next is angles and property of a quadrilateral. According to this property, the sum of four angle of quadrilateral, that is 360 degree, or four right angle in the adjoining quadrilateral ABCD, BD is the diagonal. Two triangle ABD and triangle BCD formed by the diagonal BD. In triangle ABD, angle 1, 2 and 3, that is equals to 180 degree according to angles and property of triangle. And in BCD, so in this triangle 1, 2 and 3, that is equals to 180 degree. And in this triangle, angle 4, 5 and 6, that is equals to 180 degree. So on joining equation 1 and 2, so angle 1 plus 2 plus 3, angle 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is 180 plus 180. Clear? So that is equals to angle B, C, D and A, 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus D, that is 360 degree. Hence the sum of the angle of quadrilateral, that is 360 degree of four right angle. Next is exterior angles and property. If the side of the quadrilateral are produced, the sum of the exterior angles so formed is 360 degree. जितने भी exterior angle होंगे उसका sum क्या होगा? 360 degree. Angle 1 plus 7. Angle 1 plus 7, that is 180 degree, linear pair है. Angle 2 and 6, 180 degree, 3 and 5, 180 degree, 4 and 8, 180 degree. On adding the equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, so we'll get angle 1 plus 7. 2 plus 6, 3 plus 5, 4 plus 8, that is 180 plus 180 plus 180 plus 180. So that is equals to, अगर हम इसको add करेंगे, that is equals to 720. Now as we know, जो quadrilateral होता है उसके interior angle का sum होता है 360 degree. So angle pi plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, 720 minus 360 degree, that is 360 degree. Hence, the sum of the exterior angle of quadrilateral, that is 360 degree. Now, we will take an example here. Three angles of the quadrilateral are 78 degrees, 62 degree, 100 degree. Find the fourth angle. Let the fourth angle be x degree. From the angle sum property of the quadrilateral, we know the sum of the angle is 360 degree. So, x degree equals to हो जाएगा 78, 62 plus 62 plus 100. इनके सम को 360 में से subtract कर देंगे. So that is equals to 120 degree. Clear? Next is exercise 12.1. Find the value of unknown angle in the following figure. So as we know, in quadrilateral, the sum of the four angle, that is equals to 360 degree. So angle x plus 110 plus 100 plus 90, that is equals to 360 degree. So x equals to हो जाएगा 360 minus 110 plus 100, 210 plus 90, that is 300. So x equals to हो जाएगा 60 degree. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is polygons. A polygon is a closed figure made up of 3 or more line segments. Classification of polygon. Polygons are classified according to the number of sides they have. Know it. Poly means many and gons means side. So polygons means many sides figure. So a polygon with 3 sides, that is triangle, 4 side quadrilateral, 5 side pentagon, 6 side hexagon, 7 side heptagon, 8 side octagon, 9 side nonagon and 10 side decagon. Next is diagonals of polygons. A diagonal is a line segment joining the vertex to the polygon to another vertex that is not next to it. In the adjoining figure, AC, AD, BE, BD, CE are the diagonals of the pentagon ABCDE. Number of diagonals can be calculated by the following formula. So number of diagonals हो जाएगा n multiplied by n minus 3 upon 2, where n is the number of side. So number of diagonals in the pentagon we have to find. So we'll use this formula n. Here n is 5, number of side is 5. So 5 minus 3 upon 2, that is equals to 5 into 2, 10 upon 2, that is 5. Clear? Now we'll take an example. Find the number of diagonal of a polygon whose number of side is 10. So we'll use the formula n multiplied by n minus 1 upon 2. So number of side are 10. So we'll put the value. So that is equals to 35. So number of diagonals हो जाएंगे 35. Next is types of polygon. First is convex polygon. In a polygon, if the line joining any two vertices lies inside the polygon, अगर जो line join कर रही है two vertices को, if it's inside the polygon, then the polygon is convex polygon. All the diagonals of the convex polygon lie entirely inside the polygon. So all these are the examples of convex polygon. Next is concave polygon. In the polygon, if even one diagonal does not exist inside the polygon, it is called the concave polygon. So these are the example of concave polygon. Next is know it. A regular triangle is also known as equilateral triangle. A regular quadrilateral is also known as the square. Next is regular polygon. When all sides of all angles of the polygon are equal, it is called regular polygon. So all these are example of regular polygon. In these polygons, all sides and all angles are equal. Next is irregular polygon. A polygon whose all sides and angle are not equal, they are called irregular polygon. So all these are example irregular polygon. Next is sum of interior angle of polygons. To find the sum of interior angle of polygon, first we divide the polygon into triangle using the diagonal. The sum of the interior angle of all the triangle will give the sum of interior angle of polygon. Like here, quadrilateral is divided into two triangles, so sum of interior angle, that is equals to 2 into 180, that is 360. Pentagon, it is divided into three triangle, so sum हो जाएगा 3 into 180, 540. Like here, 4 into 180, 720 and so on. Next, know it. Sum of the interior angle of a regular polygon of n side, that is n minus 2 into 180. Each interior angle of regular polygon, n minus 2 into 180 upon n. Now we'll take an example here. Find the sum of interior angle of polygon whose number of sides are given here. So number of side is 14. So we'll use the formula. Sum of the interior angle of the polygon who has 14 sides, that is equals to 14 minus 2 into 180, that is equals to 2160 degree. Clear? Next is exterior angle property of a polygon. When the side of the polygon is produced, means side को अगर हम आगे बढ़ाएंगे, then the angle formed between the produced side and the adjacent side, that is called the exterior angle of polygon. So here you can see these are the exterior angle of polygon. In the sum of the exterior angle of polygon, that is 360 degree. each exterior angle of regular polygon that is 360 upon n. So number of sides हो जाएंगी in regular polygon 360 upon each exterior angle. Now we'll take an example. Find the value of x in adjoining figure. Give the figure as a pentagon. So the sum of interior angle of pentagon 5 minus 2 into 180, that is 540 degree. Now here angle EDG and EDC. Angle EDG and angle EDC 180 degree because linear pair है. So 85 degree हमें given है. Other angle हो जाएगा 180 minus 85, that is 95 degree. Clear? Now angle BCF and angle BCD, this and this angle, that is equals to 180 degree, again linear pair, so 180 minus 95, that is 85 degree. Now the pentagon ABCDE, total जो sum होगा angles का, that is 540 degree. So we'll find other angles, both are x, so 2x plus 240 equals to 540, so 2x equals to 540 minus 240, 300 degree, x equals to 300 upon 2, 150 degree. So the value of x degree is 150 degree here. Clear? So 150 degree का हो जाएगा angle. Next is exercise 12.2. Find the number of diagonal of the following polygon whose number of sides are given below. So number of side n is here 12. So use the formula. So diagonal, that will be equal to n into n minus 3 upon 2. So here n is 12, 12 minus 3 upon 2, so that is equals to 12 into 9 upon 2, that is equals to 54. So number of diagonals हो जाएंगे 54. Next is special type of quadrilaterals. First one is parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral which both the pair of opposite sides are parallel. In the adjoining figure, PQRS is a parallelogram in which PQ is parallel to SR and QR is parallel to RS. So this is a parallelogram. Opposite side means ये और ये parallel होंगी और ये parallel होंगी. Next, properties of a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal means PQ और SR equal होंगी and PS and QR equal होंगी. Opposite angles are equal means angle P and R equal होंगे, Q and S equal होंगे. Diagonals bisect each other, OP equals to OR. Bisect करेंगे means OP equals to OR and OS equals to OQ. Clear? Adjacent angles are supplementary means angle P and Q, that is equals to 180 degree, and R and S, that is equals to 180 degree. Clear? And S and P 180 degree. Next is rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram whose each angle is a right angle. In the adjoining figure, PQRS is a rectangle. Properties of rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal means PQ equals to RS and PS equals to QR. All the angles of rectangle are right angle means angle P, Q, R and S are 90 degree. The diagonals of the rectangles are equal means PR and QS equal होंगे. The diagonal of rectangle bisect each other means OS equals to OQ and OP equals to OR. Next is square. A square is a quadrilateral in which all sides are equal and each angle is of right angle. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a square. Properties of square. All sides are equal. AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. All sides equal है. Each angle is right angle means angle ABCD is 90 degree. Diagonals are equal. AC equals to BD and diagonal bisect each other at right angle means OA equals to OC and OB equals to OD and यहाँ पे 90 degree का angle बनेगा. Also angle AOB, angle BOC, angle COD, AOD 90 degree means जहाँ पे बाइसेक्ट करेंगे वहाँ पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल. नेक्स्ट इज rhombus. The quadrilateral in which all sides are equal and which is a parallelogram that is called rhombus. In the adjoining figure, PQRS is rhombus. Properties of rhombus. In rhombus, all sides are equal. PQ equals to QR equals to RS equals to PS. Opposite sides are parallel. PQ is parallel to SR and QR is parallel to PS. Opposite angles equal होंगे, angle P और R equal होंगे, Q और S equal होंगे. Diagonal AC and BD bisect each other at right angle, means OP equals to OR and OQ equals to OS. Also, angle POQ, QR, ROS, POS 90 degree. Clear? Next is trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel. That is called a trapezium. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. This and this side will be parallel. Clear? A trapezium whose non-parallel sides are equal, that is known as isosceles trapezium. Non-parallel side means AD and BC अगर equal है, that is called isosceles trapezium. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is isosceles trapezium in which AD equals to BC. Next is properties of trapezium. A trapezium has only one pair of opposite sides parallel. Parallel sides cannot be equal. Non-parallel side may or may not be equal. If the non-parallel sides are equal, then it is called isosceles trapezium. Next is kite. Kite is a quadrilateral with two pair of equal adjacent sides but whose opposite sides are unequal is called a kite. In the adjoining figure, PQRS is a kite in which PQN that is equals to PS. PQ and PS equal है and SR and RQ equal है. Clear? Longer diagonals divide the kite into two concurrent triangles. Triangle PSR equals to triangle PQR. Q equals to angle S and angle SPO equals to angle QPO and angle SRO equals to angle QRO. Now we will take an example. The ratio of the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram is 4:5 and its parameter is 135 cm. Find the side of the parallelogram. So ratio is 4:5. So let the adjacent side 4x and 5x. So parameter of the parallelogram that is equal to 135. Parameter होता है 2 into sum of adjacent side that is equal to 135. So 2 into 4x plus 5x is to 135. So 18x equals to 135, x equals to 135 upon 18 that is 7.5. So adjacent side हो जाएगी 4 into 7.5 that is 30 cm and 37.5 cm. Clear? So you have to practice all these examples. Next is exercise 12.3. The ratio of two adjacent angles of parallelogram is 4:5. Find the measure of each of its angle. So two adjacent angle ratio क्या है 4:5. So as we know in parallelogram two adjacent angle का sum होता है 180 degree. So 4x plus 5x equals to 180 degree हो जाएगा. So that is equals to 9x equals to 180 degree. X equals to 180 upon 9. That is 20 degree. So angle क्या हो जाएंगे angle 1 that is equals to 4 into 20 80 degree and angle 2 that is equals to 5 into 20 that is equals to 100 degree. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is summary. A line segment joining non-consecutive vertices of the polygon that is called diagonal. A quadrilateral is a polygon having four sides. The sum of its interior angle of quadrilateral that is 360 degree. A polygon is a closed figure formed by the line segment. Parallelogram. In the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are equal and the diagonal bisect each other. Rectangle, a parallelogram in which all angles are equal that is 90 degree and diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Square is a parallelogram in which all angles and all sides are equal, diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angle. Rhombus is a parallelogram in which the sides are equal, diagonal bisect each other at right angle. In trapezium, the quadrilateral in which only one pair of opposite sides is parallel. A trapezium whose non-parallel sides are equal that is called isosceles trapezium. Kite, a quadrilateral, with two pair of edges inside equal but opposite sides are unequal. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. In which of these quadrilateral do the diagonal bisect each other? So answer is all of these: parallelogram, square, rectangle, in all of these. So D is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you to practice it.